The Defense Department has honored outgoing NDRRMC Executive Director Benito Ramos. Yusek Ramos was recognized for his achievements and dedication to his task. Aya Macalma with the details.
Imbitahan ko siya rito upang tulungan ako at hindi siya nagkaroon ng second thought. Dahil matagal kong kasama si General Benito Ramos sa Special Forces at alam ko yung kanyang ugali sa trabaho. Yan ang sinasabi kong trabahong 25/8. Sa civilian, hindi nyo naintindihan yun. More than 24 hours, more than 7 days. Ibig sabihin, anytime tawagin mo, nandyan. Yan ang taong pinauuwi ko pagka Christmas nung ako'y commander ng Special Forces dahil hindi umuwi. Yung misis niya ang dumadating at nagbabakasyon. Yung misis niya nag-aarinar, siya hindi.
That is how Defense Secretary Voltaire Gasmin describes Undersecretary Benito Ramos. An outstanding achievement medal was given to Ramos for his dedication to his job, especially during natural calamities, particularly during Typhoon Sendong, the Southwest Monsoon, and Task Force Kalihim, when Secretary Jesse Robredo's plane crashed in Masbate. With this, the Secretary will never forget Undersecretary Ramos' loyalty and willingness to serve the country.
Si Benito was actually a pillar dito sa atin, no? Particularly sa NDRRMC at saka sa OCD. I'm sure you have been covering this area before. Walang kapare si Benito eh. Kung hindi nyo ini-interview, tinatawagan para interviewin siya. Saan kayo nakakita ng ganun? No? Tsaka kahit anong hirap at anong kalamidad ang inabot natin, nakahaluan niya ng counting jokes para sa ganun, makalimutan natin ang konti kahirapan natin. Walang kaangal-angal.
President Aquino has yet to announce his choice to succeed under Secretary Ramos. But Secretary Gasmin highly recommends retired General Eduardo Del Rosario to replace Undersecretary Ramos at the NDRRMC. Meanwhile, Secretary Gasmin also awarded Brigadier General Hernando Eriberi and Brigadier Crisostomo Naive with the same award, the Outstanding Achievement Medal. For the People's Television, Aya Macalma.